In this little tutorial I will show you how to make this little border with a puff stitch, and all the tutorial about this top is in a link on the description below. This is very easy, very simple, cute little top, but I've decided to make it even more interesting. Of course you can add those little puffs around the bottom of your top. This could be your choice. So this is how I did it. I go with chain of 12, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then I will pull the loop, yarn over, inside the loop, pull it out once, yarn over, inside the loop, pull it out twice. And then I will go through together, chain 2 and join at the beginning of my puff stitch with the slip stitch. Then I will go chain of 12, (11, 12) and place my chain on the next stitch. Then I will go 2 single crochets, 1 and 2, and do it again, chain of 12, five, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11 and 12, pull the loop and make a nice puff. 1 into the loop, take it out twice, and then go through all together, join it, chain of 2 and connect my puff stitch into the beginning with the slip stitch, chain of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and I will place my chain over here with a single crochet. Then I will go 2 more single crochets. This is how I do my neckline. When I go around the neck, to the front, I will reduce amount of chain. Instead of 12, I will go with chain of 8, but you can still make it longer around your front. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I will go with my puff. Join it, then I will make chain of 2, 1 and 2, and join the puff stitch with the slip stitch, chain of 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I will place it onto the next stitch with a single crochet. I will go 2 single crochets, chain of 8, long loop into the loop, and again pull it all through, chain of 2 and connect my puff stitch at the beginning, chain of 8, 6, 7, 8, and I will place my single crochets right next to it. I will make 2 more single crochet, 1 and 2, and I will continue my row. And there you are. I made this little cute top even more interesting. If you like my tutorial, please subscribe, give me thumbs up. I appreciate it. Stay safe. Thank you for watching.